Hanna Water Wizard Arch combines Hanna and Jim Coleman technology into a powerful yet cost-effective high-pressure water applicator. High pressure allows penetration into areas brushes cannot reach, like wheel wells, body side moldings, and roof racks. The Arch utilizes Hanna's exclusive scrubbing action, oscillating spray heads with multiple 0-degree nozzles. The top manifold oscillates left to right, and the side manifolds up and down, scrubbing the complete vehicle surface from a variety of angles, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Both top and side manifolds pivot fore and aft to provide high-pressure cleaning to the hard-to-reach front and rear of vehicles. The Arch is available in hydraulic or electric drive.